When you hear the words trust fund, what comes to mind? Millionaires? Politicians? Old money families? Most Kenyans believe trust funds are only for the ultra-wealthy. But here's the truth. Some of the people who actually need a trust the most are ordinary working families. So, are trust funds only for the rich in Kenya? Absolutely not. Let's break it down simply. A trust fund is just a legal arrangement where you transfer your assets like land, rental property, shares, or even business interests into a structured setup. Those assets are then managed by a trustee for the benefit of the people you choose, your beneficiaries. In simple terms, you're saying, I want my assets protected and properly managed even when I'm not around. That's not luxury planning. That's responsible planning. So why does the myth exist? Because wealthy families have used trusts for years to protect generational wealth and prevent inheritance disputes. But here's the reality in Kenya today. If you own a family home, a plot of land, rental units, or a growing business, you already have something worth protecting. And we've all seen what can happen when there's no structure in place. Family conflicts, court delays, frozen accounts, and years of stress. A trust helps prevent that chaos. You should seriously consider a trust if you have young children and want assets managed until they're mature, you want rental income to continue supporting your family, you want clear distribution rules instead of confusion, you want to avoid lengthy probate processes, or you want your business to continue running smoothly if something happens to you. And here's the powerful part. A properly structured trust can continue operating even after your lifetime. School fees can still be paid. Properties can still be managed. Income can still flow. That's not about being rich. That's about being prepared. Now, setting up a trust isn't something you should guess your way through. At Step-by-Step Insurance, we guide you through the entire process. We help you understand whether a trust is right for you. We connect you with trusted legal professionals. We help you structure it properly. And we align it with your broader financial plan, including life insurance and estate planning. Because a trust works best when it's part of a complete protection strategy. Our goal is simple: to help you protect what you've worked so hard to build. So, are trust funds only for the rich in Kenya? No. They're for anyone who wants protection, clarity, control, and peace of mind. The real question is not whether you're wealthy enough for a trust. The real question is your family protected enough without one? If you'd like guidance on setting up a trust and protecting your assets, reach out to Step-by-Step Insurance today. Let's protect your future step by step.